What's up, my friends? Your friend Ricky, the Realtor here. Hope all is well, and welcome to Raw Uncut Real Estate, episode 4. So, Raw Uncut Real Estate, it's 4 episodes in. We just started off to give you guys a little bit of insight on the market, give you some more resources to go out in the field and just make some more educated decisions. But man, episode 4 now. We're extremely grateful you guys are tuning in, listening, giving us comments and feedback, and definitely just want to be a resource for you, give you some tips and tricks, give you information, no bullshit about what's going on in the market, exactly what I'm seeing, so that I can let you know what my perspective is, so you can go out and do what you want to do in the market. It's all your decision. I'm not going to steer you any which way direction, nor am I going to make you and obligate you to work with me. If you're working with any other realtor as well, we encourage you to do so. You want to work with who you feel more comfortable working with, and if it's me, we're extremely grateful and we're going to provide exceptional service. But any other realtor will do the same, that's dedicated to their craft and giving certain and providing exceptional service to their clients. So just want to be able to give you some information so you can make better educated decisions, like I said, and also be able to just have some more information, be more educated when you're going out and buying a home, selling a home, etc., etc. And so today, episode 4 of Raw Uncut Real Estate. So we're going to talk today about open houses, guys. So talking about what do you do at an open house? What is my tips and tricks? What do I tell my clients? And usually, just really quickly, just want to talk to you guys about, going with or without agents. You don't always want to be at a company with an agent. By the way, Yoda is here too. He's hanging out over there. I don't know what he's doing, but you guys are going to hear him, and he's probably going to jump on here pretty soon, because if you guys know Yoda, he can't be 1 second without saying hello or just kind of being nosy and wanting to be all up in the camera. So he'll come over and say hello pretty soon. And so going back to being accompanied by a realtor, so it's all up to you. Look, just what I said. Here he is. So if you want to go with a realtor, especially if that realtor is me, we're happy to accompany you. But you don't have to go with the realtor. And the reason why is because if you're going to my open house and your realtor's with you, I'm a little bit more standoffish. It's not because I don't want to answer your questions. It's more so because the agent's eventually going to reach out to me to answer the questions that you asked your realtor. So, usually that's the way it goes. The buyers will let their agents know any questions that they may have. And then the agent will reach out to me, the listing agent. The buyer's agent reaches out to the listing agent or selling agent. Sometimes they say selling agent, buyer's agent, same thing. And so it's our job to provide disclosures, to give them insight of what's going on, be able to answer as many questions as we can without having any bias on anybody else or disclosing information that shouldn't be disclosed at the time, because you always want to give everybody a fair shot when they're writing an offer. So but nonetheless, open houses, being accompanied by a realtor, it's all up to you. I recommend going on your own, because you want to go and ask questions to the realtor yourself. You want to be able to get some information, so when you speak to your realtor later that day, in regards to what you saw, what information the realtor was able to provide you, what other people were saying, other buyers were saying. So you just want to ask open-ended questions. Why is the seller selling? How long have they been here? Have they done any major repairs? Has there been any work done to the house? Anything you can tell me about the neighborhood? And you also want to take a peek at the neighborhood as well. Drive around, take a walk. And neighbor is always the best resource as well. If you see a neighbor, just ask them any questions. I'm sure they'll be happy to answer your questions as well. And the only other reason you want to have us there as realtors, if you want us there for moral support, and we're happy to do that. We're happy to be there and answer your questions and hold your guys' hand. That's what we're here to do. We're here to help you on your journey of being a homeowner. But unless we essentially are looking at a home that's vacant and you need access, we can get you access as well. But other things, your realtor should provide you a cheat sheet when the home was built, any updates, any comparable sales in the area, any key information that may be needed about going and visiting that home. Usually what I do is I'll send my clients an email with details on all the houses that are open that weekend, as far as give them MLS printouts, talk about any homes that I feel like they should prioritize over others, and also ask for any feedback, because my clients may have seen a home that I may have missed, or there's something else out there that they were looking for, maybe that they had another change of heart in something, any particular trait, or anything that about the home that they may have liked over any other homes and I may have missed it. We're able to add that to the list, take that into consideration as well, and add that to the open house guide for that weekend. So usually the best thing to do is have your realtor send you a cheat sheet, all the homes, kind of prioritize them on location, on which ones they should visit over others. Have your buyers go and peek around the neighborhood, ask open-ended questions, and then if there's any house that sticks out to you, of course, reach out to the realtor. We can get a little bit more insight from the listing agent. Also request for disclosures, which will be information on the house, so that we can review them together and see if there's anything that sticks out to us, as far as, you know, anything that has gone on in that property that we may not be aware of, or see any pest inspections, any termite or pest inspections, any home inspections, anything else that's available, so that we can have, you know, better of an understanding about the home, so we can prepare to make an awesome offer. Real estate, you want to refer back to that, writing your best offer. And so with this will be leading into that, as far as the discovery period, finding the right home, hitting the pavement, and us realtors taking you to see houses as soon as they hit the market. So that's our job, to make sure that you're seeing everything that we see, informing you on anything that comes on, anything that there's a price reduction on, anything that comes back to the market, so that we can be quick as far as, you know, jumping on any opportunity, so that, you know, we can align you and put you in a better position to get an offer accepted. So those are just some quick tips and tricks about open houses. Please let me know if you have any other questions. So as a quick overview, you want to have your realtor send you a cheat sheet, an email, text, etc. I use my Theo as well. My clients like using that. I have an app called My Theo, which I can send them a link to all the homes, and then what I could do is then I send them a text message that kind of outlines, you know, what houses I think they should prioritize, some things to look out for, and etc. So they have that ready available for them. So when they go and see the open house, they don't want to, you know, carry a bunch of papers around, because everyone knows that not everybody likes to have a stack of open house flyers with them at all times. So this just keeps it neat, on their phone, readily available. And in addition to that, making sure you're asking open-ended questions. I always let my clients know questions that they should be asking at open houses. And then from there, it's all about, you know, making sure that we go back, review what they saw, talk about pros and cons. And then if there's any home that sticks out above the rest, we go aggressive and go in, ask for information on that house as much as we can, disclosures, etc., so that we can have all those items available, so that we can better prepare for our offer. So just tips and tricks about open houses. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any questions. Please reach out to me with any questions. We're happy to help. And my name is Ricky J. Alvarez with Boulevard Real Estate, aka Ricky the Realtor, hashtag Ricky the Realtor. You can find me on Instagram, on YouTube, Facebook, you name it. Look up Ricky the Realtor, hashtag Ricky the Realtor. You'll find me. Reach out to me with any questions. We're always happy to help you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day. We hope to talk to you soon, and look out for episode 5. So this was episode 4 of Raw and Uncut Real Estate, how to better prepare for an open house, and exactly what do you do at an open house. So we're here to help you, here to guide you along your journey of home ownership. And if there's anything ever we can do for you, like we always say, we're here to help you. So thank you so much. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.